Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace front shocks on a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and placing wheel chocks. Next, loosen the lug nut slightly, lift the front with a floor jack, and secure the frame on jack stands. Remove the front wheels and inspect mounting bolts and hardware. Keep parts organized and take photos for reference during reassembly. Loosen lower bolts first and use penetrating oil to free any rusted hardware. Support the lower control arm to avoid sudden drops when removing the shock. Unthread the upper mount bolts while holding the shock to prevent it from falling. Extract the old shock straight down or out, depending on fit, and check mounting points for wear or damage. Clean bolt holes and threads before installing new components. Verify new shocks match the old units in length and mounting orientation before installation. Start by aligning and loosely installing the upper mount to hold the shock in place. Swing or raise the lower control arm to align the lower eyelet, insert the bolt, and hand thread the nut. Torque both upper and lower fasteners to manufacturer specs, reinstall wheels, lower vehicle, and perform a short test drive to reach.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.